Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa. This is my workshop. And this is my Uncle Ken and my Aunt Janet. And they came all the way from Tennessee just to see my workshop. Well, the reality is that they're up here for a family wedding. But they thought they'd take a look at the workshop while they were here. So I'm glad to have them here. They're both wonderful people, and I gave them a tour of the workshop. And they came bearing gifts. Now take a look at this. How awesome is this? A Sunoco tow truck. I think it's a 34, right? 1934?
Or that's what it says on the box, Jim.
Yeah, 1934. Well, you're smarter than me because you looked at the box and I didn't. So, but I think this is a 1934. Yep, there it is. 1934 in 1/25th scale AMT. Very, very cool. I'm very excited about this. So, Uncle Ken owned an RV repair business for a long time. So I know that he's good putting things together and working with his hands. And so what I want to do is I want to give him a truck back.
Oh, really?
So,
well, thank you.
Something the two of you can work on together. And I know that Uncle Ken has become an Aunt Janet as well. The two of them just told me that they follow my channel all the time. So I know they're interested in the hobby. So there's your first model kit.
I think what you're trying to do, Jim, is, well, I've known this guy since he was just little. Look how big he is now.
Yeah.
And the other thing is hard to realize. He's called Grandpa's Model Workshop, and he's a grandpa, so that makes me a great uncle with his siblings.
That's right.
So anyhow, help me here. So I'm getting a loss of words, but yes, I will become a modeler. We pay very, very close attention to what Jimmy is doing, and John and I have discussed it.
He's going to have us come back so we can paint it in his
booth.
Yeah, that's his ploy here, is to give us the model, and then we're going to have to come back to use all his equipment.
Well, we've got plenty of paint and plenty of room down here, and you know that you're always welcome to come and hang out here and build models.
Well, we follow his YouTube page religiously. We actually look forward to a new post every time, and we're really enjoying it, and
very proud of him.
Very proud.
Very proud.
Well, yes. Thank you very much. Check's in the mail.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
So, gang, this is just a real quick shout out and to introduce my aunt and uncle who came up from Tennessee. The wedding was yesterday. It went off really well, and my nephew Michael is married to his new bride Alexa. And my understanding is I think they're leaving tomorrow?
Tomorrow for Bora Bora.
Bora Bora.
Yeah.
They're going to be on the other side of the planet.
So if you see any posters that say the world's going to end today, call your friends on the other side of the world. If they answer the phone, it's not true. All right. Good deal. So like I said, this was just a short one today, and we'll get back to our regular format probably in the next video. I've got a whole bunch of stuff over here that just came in. This literally came in 5 minutes ago. It's a surprise. What Jimmy's got now? What's he going to open up
Here we go. I got this just 5 minutes ago, and of course I think I made mention of my new Kaleido paints from Gallery that just came in. I still haven't opened it yet. I figured I'll do my reveal with all of you. So it's still sealed. And we have our two airbrushes that came in also from Gallery. And yeah, there you go. All right. So we will do that in the next video. So in the meantime, you got to meet some of my family. And now they're going to be into modeling. And you know what? Yep. Maybe they'll even do their own YouTube.
I promise you I won't be an assembler. I will be a model.
Yes, that's right. They might even do their own YouTube channel. Uncle Ken and Aunt Janet's YouTubes.
It'll be for the wild animals of the hills of Tennessee, Smoky Mountains.
Yeah.
We have our own raccoon and bear and even a copperhead rattlesnake and turkeys. You name it, we got it on the property.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
All right, gang. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see you in the
Thank
next
you.
video.
Bye.
Bye.